Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner Series. This is video number 31. In this video, we will learn zoom in and zoom out in Excel. So let's start. To zoom quickly, go to the View tab. In Zoom group, have a three option zoom, then 100% default zoom, then zoom to selection. So I click on the first option and here you can see the one dialog box is open, zoom, and here you can select your zoom percentage. So 25, 50, 75, 100. The default set is 100. If you want to decrease, you can select accordingly. If you want to enter customly, you can enter here also, and the fit selection you just select this option. So I select here the 50 percentage and click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see this changes how to big or small your data looks on the screen without affecting the actual cell size. Okay, now again I click on the same option zoom, and here the custom option I click on the custom. Now I enter here 125. Okay, then click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see the 125 is zoom percentage. Okay, next option in View tab in Zoom group 100 percentage. You just default set your 100 percentage. Just I click on it and here you can see your Excel set in 100 percentage zoom. That's it. Next option in View tab in Zoom group, zoom to selection. So select the data. So I select here a name to salaries data. Then go to the View tab in Zoom group. Click on the zoom to selection, and here you can see the selected area is zoom here. Okay, so this is a way you can use these all three option in View tab to zoom your data in Excel. So hope you understood. The second way, you can use the zoom slider at the bottom right. You can also use the zoom slider at the bottom right corner of the Excel windows. Okay, drag the slider and you can just zoom in and out. So zoom in and zoom out. You can use this slider to zoom in and zoom out. That's it. And the third way, you can use here shortcut key to quick shortcut. You can use Control plus mouse scroll. Scroll up to zoom in and scroll down to zoom out. It's a fast and convenient while working on the large spreadsheet. So I press the Control and use here the scroll up and down to zoom in and out. Okay, mouse. Okay, that's it. See here when I use the mouse scroll up and down. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like these, please subscribe. Thank you so much.